Coefficient of determination is a statistical parameter that helps us to know that to what extent changes in dependent variable can be explained due to variation in independent variable. See, we generally calculate correlation between two events which occur one after the other or which may be simultaneously occurring, and that relationship we indicate by small r. And if we square this value, simply if we square this value, then that gives the value of coefficient of determination. And this value ranges between 0 to 1. It will always be in plus sign, because even if there is negative correlation, if that value is suppose 0.5, that is minus 0.5, then when we will square it to get coefficient of determination, then it will come 0.25. So coefficient of determination that always comes in plus, and this specific parameter tells us that to what extent the independent variable, which is shown on x-axis, is responsible for the change in dependent variable, which is indicated on y-axis. We can have better idea about this subject by seeing this example. Suppose height of growing children is shown on this x-axis, which is shown here on this x-axis, and their weight is indicated on the y-axis. So in this case, we find that there is positive correlation between height and weight. And suppose this value comes 0.9. It means its square, that is r square, will be 0.81, indicating that 81% variation in the weight can be explained due to changes in height of the individuals. So this is meaning of this coefficient of determination. It is quite useful parameter. So if r is equal to 0.9 for height and weight, then r square will be 0.81. It means 81% of the variation in weight can be explained by the variation in height. And see the total variation that is equal to explained variation, which is indicated by r square, plus unexplained variation, and that can be indicated by k square. This k square is coefficient of non-determination, and this will be equal to 1 minus r square. So if we have to know the total variation, that will be due to the r square plus k square. See, in this table we can have idea about the coefficient of determination. All these are values, like if there is perfect correlation between two events, then its square will be 1, and it means 100% regions could be given or explanation could be given for the change in dependent variable that occurs due to variation in independent variable. And if this value of r is 0.9, then its squared value will be 0.81. It means 81% variation in the dependent variable can be explained, which is because of variation in the independent variable. And if this value comes in minus, like 0.5, then its square value will be 0.25. If this value is 0.3, its square value will be 0.09. It means only 9% explanation can be given that why means what kind of why the change in dependent one is due to change in independent one. So this is the actually meaning of it. These days the value of r square is more preferred to explain certain phenomena, because it gives better idea that to what extent changes in the dependent variable is due to variation in the independent one.